Hey, welcome on my channel, or welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easy replace the inner tie rods of your Mercedes ML. In my case it's a model year 2007 and I got a clunking noise on the front end. So it's kind of hard to diagnose the inner tie rods, but if you take yourself a little time you will find out, and take my video to get a short advice how to easily do that back home in your garage. So first of all, you have to remove that boot. It's easy, it's just clamped right there in the back. So remove it, pull it to the front that you get access to the screw of the tie rod, which is right here, and you're going to use a 41 wrench, put it on, and just with a little bit more power push it that way so that it loose. If it is loosened, you just have to turn it this way and you can fully unscrew it. So after that, use a 22 right here, loose the bolt of the outer tie rod and get the whole assembly out. So if you got it all out, I highly recommend you to replace the boot and the clamps. Do not use the cheap plastic clamps because they will let some water in and you get the same washing out tie rod as you maybe got right now. So easy. After that, try to get the same size it was adjusted, put it back in and get yourself an front wheel alignment. All right, so have a great day.